Digital Horizons is a technology integrator. We take audio, video, automation, and security type solutions and integrate them into residential and commercial environments. When we started the business, we primarily worked in a residential space, and as the needs of our clients grew, and pretty much there just being a lack of a good technology integrator in the space, we expanded our offerings, added services, and have just grown it sequentially. When we first started looking for a control access solution, PDK stood out to us amongst the others very clearly. So when we engaged PDK and we actually got our hands on the equipment, saw the instructions, partook in the training and the educational portion of the process, everything lined up perfectly and just made a lot of sense to make them a partner.
PDK makes it easy for us to expand and grow these systems. I can set up the accounts very quickly with my phone when I'm on site. If I have my laptop out, I can use the web interface. If I need to remote into a job site and check on something that, maybe there's some type of programming issue the customer changed on their own, I can get in and correct it. It just allows us easy access and easy ways to set up and manipulate and get these systems out and get them running good for the customer.
The nice thing about having automatic updates with PDK is it eliminates the need for us to send out a truck for what otherwise would be an on-site update to a dedicated computer or something like that. If there's a new feature or functionality that's added that the facility will benefit from, we're able to administer those things and make sure it's handled with ease without us needing to be on site to deploy it.
PDK allows us as installers to set up monitoring tools for the end user, door position sensors to check and see if somebody left the door open. They can get push notifications for multiple different reasons. It's very flexible. The programming is very usable and easy for us to make rules. Even on top of that, every time I've called tech support to help maybe something I didn't quite figure out on my own, they're right there to help you. They answer the phone right away and they're great to work with.
So the nice thing about PDK is we're granted a dedicated salesperson, which means that if we have anything account, administrative, or even technical in nature, they're our first point of contact, and Mike's our guy, and I know whenever I have an issue, he's always quick to handle it, and if he can't, he gets us to the person that can, and we always get an expedited solution to problems. PDK lines up with how we want to operate business because from the top down, they're focused on making a good product, making something that's easy to install. Our clients don't come to us for an individual product, they come to us for a solution, and they expect us to be able to stand behind what we're installing. And so we're very particular about who we work with, because if we're not provided the support, we can't provide that support to our clients. We would definitely recommend PDK because they make a great product and they're a company that is willing to stand behind it.